In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a GitHub branch in just 5 minutes. GitHub is a powerful tool for developers, making it easier to collaborate on projects and track changes. However, there may come a time when you need to delete a branch that's no longer needed. Whether you're cleaning up your repository or simply making room for future work, this straightforward process will help you manage your project efficiently. Let's walk through the steps. First, open your web browser and head over to GitHub's website. This will be your starting point for the entire process. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, but for now, let's assume you're already signed up. Logging in will take you straight to your GitHub dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your repositories and activities. Once you've reached your dashboard, focus on the repositories section. Here you'll see a list of all the projects you're currently working on. Click on the repository from which you want to delete a branch. The interface will direct you to the main page of that particular repository, where you'll find various options to manage your project. Now locate and click on the Branches tab. This section displays all the branches associated with your repository, providing you with a comprehensive view of everything you're working on. It's here that you can see all active branches along with their latest commits and status. Identifying the branch you wish to delete is crucial. Be mindful not to accidentally delete a branch with ongoing work or crucial information, as this action cannot be easily reversed. After you've singled out the correct branch, notice the Delete button next to it. Clicking on this button is the final step in removing the branch from your repository. Before you proceed with deletion, ensure that the branch is truly no longer needed. Once you're certain, go ahead and click delete. You may be prompted to confirm this action. Confirming will permanently remove the branch, effectively cleaning up your repository. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a branch from your GitHub repository. This process not only helps in maintaining a tidy and organized workspace, but also ensures that your project remains manageable and clutter-free. Deleting unnecessary branches regularly can enhance productivity by minimizing confusion and focusing efforts on active work. Remember, good organization is key to efficient project management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating one of the many features GitHub offers.